Today we learn phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs about sleep. English vocabulary sentences. Doze off, meaning to go into light sleep for a short period of time. Example, while watching a movie, she began to doze off on the couch. I dozed off in the classroom yesterday. Take a nap, meaning to sleep for a short period of time, often in the day. Example, after lunch, I like to take a nap to refresh myself for the afternoon. While the baby was taking a nap, I left to shop for groceries. Lie down, meaning to rest on your back. Example, I like to lie down and use a mobile before going to sleep. She lay down on the couch and soon fell asleep. Sleep in, meaning to sleep longer than usual. Example, we like to sleep in on the weekends. I usually sleep in on Sunday mornings. Sleepover, meaning to spend the night at someone else's place. Example, I slept over at Vicky's house after dinner. My mother decided to sleep over at my aunt's place. Wake up, meaning to stop sleeping. Example, what is your wake up time? I usually wake up at 6 a.m. Get up, meaning to get out of bed after sleeping. Example, I have to get up early tomorrow for school. I get up early and ready for school. Stay up, meaning to remain awake later than usual. Example, I stayed up late listening music. Nissa and I stayed up half the night talking. Turn in, meaning to go to bed. Example, when do you usually turn in? I usually turn in at about midnight. Go off, meaning to ring or make a loud noise. Example, I have set the alarm clock to go off at 6:30 a.m. The alarm clock goes off every morning at 6 a.m. to wake me up. Welcome Kids Open Window channel. Do like and subscribe.